Yo, how we doing? How we doing, guys? How we doing? Wednesday's here. Let me sort myself out. I'm a bit rushed off my feet. Right, we're all good. We're all good. How's everyone? Hope everyone is well. News today. Nothing really to worry about, to be honest. I think it's pretty much nothing. We've got crude oil inventories in about an hour, but yellow folder. I don't trade crude oil. Not gonna be an issue. We've got after the market closed today, Trump announces Apple investment. I've only literally just seen it. Anyone know anything about that? Google it quick. So how they doing? K-Man, how you doing, fella? Yeah, no idea what that's about. Trump announcing Apple investment. Interesting. A nice little win at the start of London session. Just long from previous week value area low. Thought process was behind it. We broke into it. A nice nice 15-minute close above it, and then the retest. Oh, yeah, I just got in on the retest. Got my profit, and then we sold off. So I was also liking the idea of shorting from previous day value area high. But I was literally just about to go into the hospital with the missus. She had a growth scan today for the baby, so literally just about to walk in there, so I wouldn't have been able to keep an eye on it. So yeah, obviously didn't take that. That would have just about played. I think there's a good chance I might have been stopped out to the tick. Stop loss would have been at this level, so I probably would have been stopped out on that potentially, but depending on the entry that I got. So that could have been a loss avoided, but today I'm liking that. I've just put a post in Discord. I like the look of previous day point of control. Line up quite nicely with Asia open. I'd probably look to get a limit order just above Asia open, probably just for a quick one-to-one off that. So quick wick through point of control, wick into Asia open, and then a push away. But it depends when we get it, because it's something we could get pretty early on in the session, and I don't like to trade the open. So we'll see. Right, let's see if we can find out information about this Trump and Apple stuff. Apple investment. Could be a load of nothing, but Apple announced a new 100 billion US investment. Okay. In US manufacturing. Oh, I hate websites. Pay for news. Bloody Bloomberg. I mean, 100 billion is not a great deal, is it? So probably not going to be too market impacting, but never know. Sounds ridiculous saying 100 billion isn't that much. When it was announced in Feb that they were investing 500 billion into US. So 100 billion is a step down from that, isn't it? But right, what's today done then? So what we've got 20 seconds to open. Shall I sort the poll out? Because I haven't done that yet. I'm all over the place today, boys. Bias for this session. The lack of news today is worrying me. It could be a bit of a boring day. Long, short, Let me know what you're thinking for the session. We are open. We are open. I'm pretty open to either direction, to be honest. We've opened up this morning, pushed up during Asia. London we've sold off. Yesterday we sold off. I think I like the idea of it being bullish today, to be honest. Retracement down to point of control, Asia open, bounce from there maybe. You watch, we'll get my trade set up the first few minutes of the open. I might even practice trade it. Alright, 323 the middle. 340, yeah. Limit by on macros. What a little practice order set up if we get down there. Right. Ward, how you doing, mate? How you doing? Oh, we've had a hectic morning this morning. Been fucking all over the place. All good with the growth scan, which was good. He's bang on where he's supposed to be. Okay, bro, how's the growth scan? Yeah, all good, mate. All good. What's Nasdaq doing? NQ's pushing up. Just about to take a higher day. YM's majorly selling off. And gold is not doing anything. Interesting. Tell them to keep it down. She's coming to get ice. We've got the freezer in there. We've got like a giant fucking freezer. And yeah, she's into the ice at the minute. Yeah, I've never known anyone to be so loud. She's trying to be quiet. You can see her peering over me and over the monitors, grinning. Calvin, how you doing, mate? How have you been? Oh, Tim Cook to appear at the Trump announcement. What's your due date, bud? Due date is 29th of September. I feel like he's going to be a good few days late though, I think. 29th of September though. Yeah, not long. She's 32 weeks now, I think. What's going on with YM then? We're down at lower day. Oh, we had our call with the mortgage geezer. I've saved him in my phone as what was it? His name's Charles. Charles the broker. Yeah, actually went quite well, to be honest. Better than expected. He said as expected, we're unlikely to be able to get what we want through a high street lender. We'll be short. Deposit won't be. We'd be right if we had a bigger deposit, which we might possibly get when time comes, but more likely looking like we'll be using a specialist broker, specialist lender, which we can get up to 180k, which puts us bang on where we need to be, really. Maybe with a little wiggle room if we can get a decent offering on the house. So looking positive. So yeah, we're going to arrange to get a offer in principle, mortgage in principle, and then look to make an offer on the house, I suppose. Well, grown up stuff it is. Terrible rate though. I mean, it's not horrendous. 5.2% I think it was, which is about 0.5% more than what the high street lenders are doing, but at its 5-year fix, which I wasn't keen on doing, but to be honest, for the security of it, we haven't got to worry about it for 5 years. I'm probably happy just to do that. Mortgage payments will still be less than what we pay in rent, so some good luck. Cheers, K-Man. Yeah, fingers crossed it all goes well with the getting the mortgage in principle. Can't see why it wouldn't. We haven't lied about any figures or anything, so. Nasdaq hit higher day before the rejection. What a sell-off, eh? My birthday in a few days. When is it? Saturday, I think. Yes, current day value low, yes. Can't see it staying there for long though. Ward, I'm liking the idea of the previous day point of control today. Lines up quite nicely with the Asia Open. I've got a little limit order set up on the practice account. See what time we get down there if it's maybe in at least 10 minutes time. I might take it on the challenger on the funded or something. I just don't want to take it too early. Try and avoid the first 30 minutes if I can. Kept that quiet, mate. You gotta keep it quiet. Gotta keep it quiet. What are you doing for nothing really. I'm the sort of person that likes to do fuck all on my birthday. I think the plan is McDonald's breakfast, maybe a dog walk in the morning, not anything major, just over the field, throw his ball around, come back, maybe play some PlayStation for a few hours, and then watch the June films. I think number 1 and 2, because I like them, and Domino's for dinner. Basic as fuck. What's the food situation gonna be like? You know me, guys. You know me. Yeah, McDonald's breakfast, I think, and Domino's for dinner. Maybe some jam donuts in the middle. Jeez, mate, I hope it's not a big birthday. I mean, it is fairly, I suppose. No, I think we're I think I might be doing wakeboarding on the Friday, this Friday. So it might not be a stream Friday. Depending on what the weather's doing. Yeah, gonna go and do that. Never done it before, always wanted to do it. So there's somewhere near us, nearish, that does it, so be good fun. Mix of Frank's hot sauce with the garlic and herb. Dom's dream combo. No, mate, no. I don't even do the garlic and herb. I'll tell you what, mate, I'm so basic. I don't even touch the garlic and herb. I'll have a bit of ketchup for the crust sometimes. I do the barbecue sauce if we get our chicken strips or something. I'll dip it in the barbecue. But other than that, mate, bit of ketchup, that's all I need. Ketchup for crust, mate. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. How old do you think I'm going to be? How old do I look like I'm going to be? I'm pretty sure I've told a few of you before, so you might be able to guess. But yeah, how old do you think I look like I'm going to be? Don't say fucking 50. Or 12. Everyone younger looks 12. 27, okay. Good morning, Leo. How you doing? We're just guessing my my age, if you're interested. Cam, I reckon's 30. I do have some grey hairs coming through. I don't know if it'll be visible on camera. Getting to that point. Current day value as a play, yeah, man, we've had a nice little bounce off of that. A nice little bounce off that, which makes it feel like it's going to be a bit of a choppy day. Maybe we just range between the value areas. Got to be a big one for Domino's coming up, mate. Domino's comes out every Saturday. Now I'm going to be 30 years young on Saturday. No, what do I win? What do you win? What do you want? Get us a pizza and we'll call it even. Have a laugh, mate. Charity starts at home. Pizza starts in my mouth. It starts in your mouth and ends up on my fence, so I know how it goes, mate. It's your ass. Bring a fire that. Yeah, especially with that, what was it? Red sauce or whatever. Oh, what was it? Frank's hot sauce. That's got to be fucking Ring of Fire, that surely. I don't do hot sauce. The only hot sauce I do is Nando's. I like a bit of Nando's sauce. Not with Domino's, obviously. I had a square pizza the other night and they say it was 27% more pizza. Who's done the maths on that? From where? Domino's? Domino's didn't do square pizzas, do they? Or was it like a shop bought one? I quite like the square pizzas. It's an appealing shape. The only trouble with the square ones is obviously you cut them into slices. Depending on how you cut it, you can have a middle slice sometimes, can't you? It's just got no crust to it. You just got to sort of hold it and fucking get everywhere. It's not even hot. Beautiful, I kiss the bottle when I use it. I bet it's hot, man. I bet it's hot. I don't do hot. Pizza bar. I can't find anywhere. I love a pizza. I don't know what we're doing for dinner tonight, to be fair. Oh, I think some sort of garlic pasta, I think she said. Oh. Believe it or not, I managed to hit my profit for the day in this message. I was literally just thinking, Nasdaq looks fucking awful. Typical up, down, up. Sweep the highs, sweep the lows, sweep the highs. Typical NASDAQ play. How are we doing? Yes, Leo, I'm doing good, mate. I'm doing good. Nice win this morning. Long in. Previous week value area low. A break and retest of it. Had another setup as I was going into the hospital with the misses. So I didn't end up taking it. I was saying I think I would have probably been stopped out anyway. Literally my stop loss was at 4,850. So for my hypothetical stop loss would have been there. So literally to the tick, I probably would have been stopped out. So probably avoided the loss, to be honest. We're back down again. Nathan, yo, how you doing, mate? How you doing? Hope you're having a green week. I'm up this morning. Had a nice little win. London Open, pretty much. Being patient, waiting for my setup. And we're off, looks like we're going up. Did I end the poll as I haven't fucking done that? Getting bad for doing that, and I sorry boys. Keep forgetting. 50% reckon chop. Oh, it's definitely been choppy so far. Waiting for levels either side. Here, people getting destroyed here, yeah. Be lots of people playing in the middle, fiddling in the middle. Bit of crazy volatile day, to be honest. I see on that previous value high, yeah, man. Nice rejection from it. We are proper choppy today. Crazy volatile for me at the minute, yeah, man. I mean, I'm still, if we get down there and we're looking a little bit calmer, I'm open to the idea of the point of control play, but we need to slow down a bit. It's way too wicky in it. Whippy up and down like a whipsaw. Big 1 minute candles aren't going anywhere, yeah, man. I bet Nasdaq's even worse. Yeah, that's fucking nasty, that. So Profit have added to the offer. You now get a 100% refund after first payout. Also, yes, I did see that. I think I've got it in my code now. I think on the pinned comment. I think I added it. Yeah, 100% initial test refund in your first withdrawal, which is quite cool, isn't it? But it's only the first month. I was like, oh sweet, did they refund? If it's taking you 6 months, so they refund everything. But no, it's just the first month. Oh, by the way, you only get the new top step dashboard with new accounts. Yeah, I did try and log in, but it wasn't switching me over. I'm happy on the older dashboard anyway, to be honest. I think they're actually running a discount. I think top step for the first month. They emailed me about it yesterday. I think it's 25% off the first month. I think for a limited time only, I believe, for the celebration of the new dashboard. I think. So yeah, if you wanted to pick any up, now's the time. Did you take a trade before the stream? Yes, mate. I took a long at London Open. Well, just after London Open. Long from a previous week value area low sort of break into it, retested it, and yeah, got in long. And took my little 1-to-1, or 1 to 1.1, I believe. That's why I like the 1-to-1s, because you can be wrong on the day if you're on the move, but still get your profit in and out. Yeah, it's good time in that trade really, because I got out of bed, took that trade, but then I've been busy all day, out the house all day pretty much, so good timing. You know why we're getting that choppy day, don't you? It's because yesterday wasn't the choppy day. Tuesdays are normally choppy, but we had services PPI. We had some form of news yesterday, so we had a big trending day yesterday. So the chop day's been pushed back to today. Chop open the day as long. Yeah. There's always a PM session. Oh, when did that drop? A few minutes ago now, but Trump is to impose an additional 25% tariff on goods from India due to Russian oil purchases. That'll explain the last 10 minutes. Taco, how you doing, fella? How you doing? Don't feel like I've really seen you this week. How's your week been, man? I feel like the last time I saw you was the airport run when you were driving and trading and live streaming, or watching a live stream. So far so good. Good, I'm glad, man. I'm good. I think I hopped in on Monday. Yes, probably, mate. My memory's not great, to be honest, so you probably did. Right, we are at the previous day value area high. What's NQ doing? NQ's pushing up. Long way from anywhere, really. And yeah, we've had a little close above that. Not looking for anything right now. Come on, boys. 9 people in here. 1 like. Give us a like. It's my birthday on Saturday. Give us a like. That's all I ask for my birthday. Like as a gift. That's it, mate. That's it. Pumping, yeah, we're getting there, aren't we? I'm considering a long from the previous day value or high, but I think I prefer to wait for the 15-minute close, to be honest, which is don't have 6 minutes on that yet. Long bars, we need a pullback, yeah. Yeah, I did like the idea of longs today, but I don't know. I feel like we could literally be a choppy session all session. So I'm skeptical. Points off the open, decent for recent. Yeah, I mean, we had a choppy start. We seem to be getting somewhere now, don't we? But I don't know. I'm not sold on it yet. Shopify's up 21% today. Jesus, what's going on with Shopify? Is that earnings or something? Yeah, okay. And it's estimated at 291 million. Yeah, I mean, Shopify isn't a bad business, to be honest, is it? Everyone's fucking... More and more people are going online, setting up businesses online. Influencers are more and more of a thing, setting up their own fucking shops. Well, that would be my entry if I was going in aggressive with it. That would be my entry right there. But yeah, I do want to wait for this 15-minute close, really. Two and a half minutes. Thank you, batting big EMAs and the bigger time frames. That plays into the short then, doesn't it? If we close that below, I think I might jump straight in for a short. Just having current day value high on the Nasdaq. Happening to an ES as well. I might miss the opportunity, yeah. But I'm glad I didn't long it anyway. So I wanted to wait for the 15-minute. I wanted to wait for the 15 minutes, see if we got a close below. Which we now have. Question is, do I still like the idea of a short, or is that it? Yeah, the issue I've got is I've been looking to target where we are now, really. So if we come back up for a retest, do I want to enter? Knowing that we've already sort of hit my target. Probably not. We might even come back up there anyway, but... Sure, the 260 we got out early. Nice, man. 260. Not decent. I think you're switching direction without notice. Yeah, it's fucking crazy at the minute, man. Drop the plays. It should be in the description, mate. Have a look in the description. It should be in the Epidemic Sounders. Yeah, this is definitely a short while it's pushing down kind of moment, which I don't really take. I try and wait for the candle closes around the value areas. Yeah, no room for entry there, which is a shame, but try and catch them all. I'm just glad I was patient though. I think if it was Monday, I would have probably been longing from here. But I sort of learned a lesson on Monday to, was it Monday or Tuesday? I don't know, I learned a lesson yesterday, I think yesterday. Just waiting for that 15-minute close. Just in case we wick above and then close back in with in the value area. So yeah, I'm glad I learned that lesson because it saved me a loss. My was just melted today, man. Gold's not really doing a lot today, and I think oil was rocketed down off that India news. Timing sales to me indicates we're getting buyers coming in here at the current day point of control, but I'm not great at reading the timing sales, so. I'm bloody knackered today. Calvin, did you find the playlist? I'm pretty sure it's in the description. I've also got another playlist. I don't know if that's in the description. Might have to log into my Spotify to find that. I've got like the my personal playlist that I listen to. Obviously, I can only listen to copyright-free music on the stream for obvious reasons. But if you're into this sort of music, I have a better playlist on Spotify. I think I'm going to cancel Spotify soon. It's so fucking expensive. It's like £12 a month. And I don't really listen to it that often. Got the Spotify. That's a Spotify one. I'm gonna send the link. $10 left and express funded, so they're like, oh, okay, man. Gonna bounce and not trade so I can keep the account open for a week. Do it, man. Do it. What happened? Trading minis. Sorry to hear that, though, mate. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, take it easy, man. I know. I'll see you tomorrow if you're around. Today it trounced me, yeah. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow if you're around. City to trade today. Yeah, it's been a bit of shit. The trouble is, on days like today, it makes you feel like it's breaking out. Then it doesn't. Well, I've got a buy order and risking up as well, as I've already had a win. Might not get there. Maybe I just nipped out. You taking anything? No, not yet, mate. I was considering longing from the previous day value area high, but I learnt my lesson, I think, from yesterday to wait for that 15-minute close. And once we were closing back below, I was out for a short on it, but we shot down way too aggressive for me to get an entry. I'll push your limit by Sam. Limit is set at 632325 on ES. Basically, previous day point of control, but I'm looking to get a more favourable entry on like a wick through it at the Asia Open. I've also got it set up on the fundeds if we get there. No, it's fucking itchy. Definitely a little battle going on here, isn't there? Currently at current day point of control on the NQ. So yeah, we might not get that push down. I think you hit that previous day point of control. Nice. Yes, I did notice that, man. What day was that from? It wasn't yesterday's, was it? Big bars down here filling the position. Yes, man. Hopefully we can get filled on it. Normally I'd have an entry on the point of control, so I still wouldn't be filled, but I'm liking the Asia Opens ward. They tend to be good entries, don't they? For the tick a lot of the time. Point of control node, I think it's done. Yeah, I was thinking I might miss the boat. We had a nice current day point of control on NQ as well. Yeah, on the Nasdaq, it was the current day's point of control. I think that's where we had that bounce. We've had that crude oil inventories news. If I'm wrong, because there's 0.25 on that as well. Yes. You never know, we might come back down. I think if we do, I think they'll still be buying down there. But we might have missed the boat. This should fill a big position here. Yeah, I mean, how many stops would have been under this from this move up, eh? DC entry is perfect, yeah. I get a bit uneasy entering on them though when we haven't actually tapped the level that I sort of had in mind. I know we tapped the node, which is good enough in it, but I just get a bit uneasy because if we do come back to tap the actual exact level, then we've just got a worse entry in there, but I'm just venting an analysis. No, I mean, definitely right, man. Here's the thing I'm on about with Tom sales. Big companies want to hide their entries. Okay. They've got 1,000 minis everyone would see. This entry was on a call, couldn't sell my chart, the entry, but then added. Hopefully it goes up a higher leg level. Fingers crossed for you, mate. Never a good start though, is it, when you've missed the entry? Feel like you're starting off on the wrong foot. A level of interest, they'll start putting positions like 14, 33, 50, 20, etc. Yeah. What, they all blast through at the same sort of time? Buyers are in now. I've definitely missed it, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna close up my orders. We're off. Just keep filling that position, then eventually that'll be a big enough position. They will lay down a chopper. In what retail traders put in 25 minutes? Me one day, mate. Me one day. Just the fact 10 companies control 80% of the market, retail makes up the rest. Yep. Mad, isn't it? Mad. There's essentially just 10 companies battling between each other. Yes, sir. Just bank 900 on my funding account and TakeProfitTrader. Nice, Taco. And today's day 4 on my other 2 of that evals. Nice, man. Nice. Lock yourself out. Call it. It's a very difficult day today. Choppy as fuck. Call it. Enjoy your winnings, man. The Rangers watch them. Bypass borders yet. Manual CC to do it live with Bitcoin just filling up 100 contract positions, adding 10 here, 10 there, yeah. More effective use time and sales. Yeah, I mean definitely like Rangers, you can sort of almost see it, can't you? Every time it hits a certain level, they'll buy them. The way I always sort of try and think about it is obviously a lot of these big companies are buying and selling on behalf of other people as well. They have clients, so they've got someone who's approached them and says, yeah, I want to have 5,000 ES, hold it for a few days or whatever. And then it's then the trader's job then to try and get the best possible price they can get it, so they'll be buying at a level in mind that they've got, and every time it reaches then down there, even if it's over a period of a couple of days, they're going to be buying it. But then price obviously automatically pushes away from there. It's about trying to buy at them levels, isn't it? That's what I always sort of try and think about. I don't know if that's how it works or not, but that's how I wrap my head around it. Sorry for the splurge, I can type easier on my phone. It's alright, mate. Need 300 more to pass the 4 top step. Nice, Taco. Gonna hold longer and try and chase a 1,500 buffer, but nah. Take your profit, man. Take your profit. You have no idea how far it's gonna go, do you? We're at the top of the range now as well, so this could be it. Yeah, well done. 900 day, man. That's fucking brilliant. Unfunded. Perfect start. Winning profile really shows you where they're buying, yeah. Let's call it a day, quoting key 175 to 250. Nice, man. Another great trade. Sounds similar to Taco's. Great trade, man. Fair play. But it could keep me hitting the high, but don't want to risk it on my funded. Take profit. Take profit. Yep. Yeah, man, there's no rush, is there? There's no rush at all. If you didn't get filled in the yes, nah, man. I mean, even if I'd had it in my normal plays, which would have been point of control, wouldn't have been filled. I'd normally have a limit on point of control. Unfortunately, but it doesn't matter. I see the guys doing good. Yes, Leo, man. Been a good day for most. Considering a short from here. Waiting to see how we close. 30 seconds. Trouble is, to me, time and sales doesn't look too bearish. Yeah, I'm just not seeing it. Still buyers. So I'm not talking much. I'm just watching it.
Order filled.
I've gone for it. I've gone for it. I haven't taken it on the funded. Not going to be quick enough for it. Lots of buyers stepped up then. Other two funders up 500 here, so end of the day. Nice, Leo. Need a fast, clean day. Wouldn't have said it was quite clean, but you got there in the end. Use auto break even features on TradeDay. No, not the break even. I use bracket orders. That's where you can do bracket orders and Tradeify, can ya? I didn't think you could for some reason. But the issue I'm having with at the minute, if I'm not at my computer and I'm taking a trade on my phone, I end up having to set up limit orders for my take profit and stop loss, which means then if one of them is then hit, say my take profit's hit, I have to then go in and cancel my stop loss, and if I'm not there quick enough to do it, I don't realise it's hit, then I can end up getting filled on my stop loss or something later on without realising. Yeah, I'll have to figure it out. Getting buyers stepping in at current day value area high. We shall see how we go. See how we go. Definitely a battle going on here. Yeah, the reason I liked it, there wasn't overly too many sellers coming in, but there was lots of buyers, but price was just struggling to move. And every time we got some sellers coming in, it was being absolutely slapped to the downside, so sort of got the impression that buyers were getting exhausted. But I'm shit at reading time and sales, so probably read it completely wrong. Used to be through the create new order tab. I think Google it, mate, because it's changed. Mine has been there since the start. I ain't touched them. I'll shoot you catching a bit. See you later, Ward, mate. Have a good one. See you tomorrow if you're around. Oh, it's looking like it's going to be a stop out on here.
Stop field.
Stop field. Down 1 hour on the day then. Glad I didn't take on the fundeds. Yeah, I thought I'd try and take advantage of the choppy day. Bars are definitely winning at the minute. Tomorrow news, big setup. Be on the week. What's tomorrow's news? Forgotten. Oh, unemployment. Unemployment. Yes, that should be interesting, shouldn't it? That should be interesting. Poor fucking entry then. Yeah, not a great entry off that. Should have been 2 points higher, really. Saw a load of sellers coming. That previous week value area low. Pushed up quite a bit already. Yeah, I like the idea of shorting from here. Back down to the previous level, just try to short. This will be my last trade of the day, I think. Again, not taking this on the funded. It was a quick entry one anyway, to be honest. And yeah, I don't feel like it's ideal conditions today, so. Not for the funded anyway. Yeah, if this is a winner, it'll be a break-even day, because yeah, this will be the last trade of the day. Nice close. I can't wait to get into my bed tonight. I'm fucking knackered. Yeah, not the best of days today, really, is it? Not the best of days. Nice and near the levels, but yeah, just missed out on that point of control play. Got obliterated on the previous day value error high on the risk up trade as well. Trollfest right now, yeah, man, it's one of them days, isn't it? One of them days. Yeah, with it being like a choppy day, I can't see it being, or a choppy session at least, should I say. I can't see it being a big running session, and Nasdaq's already pushed up 120 points from the lows. I do like the idea of this being a sell-off from this area. I got my bag earlier, yeah, man. I should have kept my bag earlier. That's what I should have done. The trade that I liked the most was the long from down here. Obviously didn't get filled. And it's not like these were bad trades. Wasn't really seeing the sellers here on the time and sales. That should have been enough to put me off, but it didn't. Getting more sellers up here on the time and sales. So I feel more positive about this trade. But it's still questionable. But I always struggle after near missing a winner. I always struggle with the next trade or so because almost subconsciously chasing it, do you know what I mean? Something I've got to work on, definitely. Yeah, we'll see if we can scrape out break even. About peace, man. See you later, Calvin, mate. Cheers, stopping by. Have a good one, man. And see you tomorrow if you're around. I might call it in a minute. I'd like to see this trade out, but we could be here a little while, couldn't we? Hold. Oh. Oh. Not the best 5-minute candle, that. It's gonna be a stop out. One tick away. Little bullish, yeah, it's looking relatively strong. Trouble is, I didn't get the most favourable entry. Entry should have been up here really, which would push my stop loss above this high at least. So it could just be a difficult stop out, and if we sell off now, I'll be fuming. But yeah, it's max loss hit for the day. Down to frustrating day considering I was up 1 hour this morning. I should have read the room. The not ideal conditions today. I think I was just chasing that trade that I missed. I think I was more open to the shorting it because we've been quite choppy all day. So I quite like the idea of shorting back into the value area, back towards point of control sort of thing. But it's looking like we're pushing up for the minute anyway. Like sounds tomorrow I can smash it. Yeah, that's the attitude to have, mate. That's the attitude to have. Back tomorrow, stronger than ever. We'll go again. We'll go again. Oh, I've only got 425 drawdown on this account. 425 drawdown. So, a loss and a half. And then it'll be another account. Got 1 half of the day, shut up shop. Go back to B, can't be turning a winning day into a loser yet. Yeah. But then on the on some days, on the good days, you can have 2-3 winners in a trot, and then you're fucking buzzing for them, ain't you? But it is what it is. What about the 150k? Tradeify 150k is basically the best value. £165 with all discounts. Yeah, I mean, I did a couple of 150s with TakeProfitTrader, and I think where I've always done 50s, I struggle with the difference. I know it sounds stupid because it doesn't really make a difference, but yeah, just the I struggled with it for some reason. I'm open to doing it again at some point. Second my funded features, TakeProfitTrader and Tradeify 150k. Give you more room. So yeah, I did enjoy the more room, to be fair. I did enjoy the more room, but yeah, it was just a weird adjustment because I've literally never done it. 2 years or whatever I've been doing it now, and yeah, I've never done the 150ks. We'll see. Still got 425 of drawdown yet. I might not need it. Just a thought as well, I remember coming into the stream with my bias being bullish on the day. So, yeah, shouldn't be trying to short it really. It's a short from point of control isn't too bad, like a quick one, but value areas, like if I've got a long bias, value areas are going to get broken through potentially, aren't they? So, the value area highs, sorry. Right, I want to call it a day anyway, boys. Gonna have some dinner. Gonna have some dinner. But yes, I'll be back tomorrow. What day is tomorrow? Thursday. I should be around tomorrow, but I might not be. I've got plans going on, so if I'm not here, that's why. Yeah, take it easy, boys and girls. I'm back tomorrow, hopefully, and yeah, take it easy if you're still trading. Cheers for stopping by, and yeah, have a good one. Ta-da.